días, nuevos amigos. ¿Cómo están? Muy bien? Maravilloso. Today is an important day. Today we will review the work we have done in lessons 8 through 13. You've been working hard learning new words and phrases in Spanish, and it's time to go over them again so you can practice speaking every day. Let's begin our lesson with the Hola song, Nuevos Amigos, and get ready to have some fun.
Hola amigo, hola amiga, hola amigo, hola amiga, hola amigos, hola amiga, hola nuevos amigos.
Nuevos Amigos, let's begin our lesson by reviewing the Spanish vocabulary words we have learned in lessons 8 through 13. We learned many words you can use every day, which can make speaking Spanish fun. In lesson 8, we learned about many kinds of bears, osos, and where they live in the world. Our words were oso, bear, triángulo, triangle, seis, six, and café, brown. Let's look at our words and practice saying them together. Oso, triángulo, seis, café. In lesson 9, we explored the sky and looked at the sun, sol, the moon, luna, and the stars, estrellas. We also learned the words for 7, siete, and white, blanco. Practice saying them with me as we look at them on our word wall. Sol, luna, estrellas, siete, blanco. Now, for lesson 10, we learned more about the objects you can see in the sky. They were related to the weather. Our words were gris, gray, nube, cloud, lluvia, rain. The number for the day was ocho, 8, and the shape was the óvalo, oval. Let's say them together. Gris, nube, lluvia, ocho, óvalo. Excelente, nuevos amigos. We learned more words in lessons 11, 12, and 13. In lesson 11, we learned about transportation and had fun looking at how people travel to get from one place to another. Our words were autobús, bus, carro, car, tren, train, and bicicleta, bicycle. The number for the day was 9, 9, and the color was negro, black. Let's say these words together as you see them on the screen. Autobús, carro, tren, bicicleta, 9, negro. Next, in lesson 12, when we learned about animales on the farm, our words were animales, animals, granja, farm, rosado, pink, diamante, diamond, and 10, 10. Say the words with me, nuevos amigos. Animales, granja, rosado, diamante, 10. In Lesson 13, when we learned about water animals and talked about aquariums, our words were agua, water, peces, meaning many fish, pez, meaning one fish, tortuga, turtle, and pato, duck. We also learned the word for the color gold, dorado. Let's say our vocabulary words together as we look at our word wall. Agua, peces, pez, tortuga, pato, dorado. Muy bien, nuevos amigos. Your vocabulary of Spanish words has grown so much. You've learned words for many things, including some of the beautiful colors found in the world. Coco has a little game to practice reviewing the colors we've learned in our last 6 lessons. Let's go play with Coco. Hola, Coco.
Hola, Señorita Garcia. Hola, nuevos amigos. I want us to play the game called Mira y Busca. Look and find. Do you remember how to play it, amigos? See? Excelente. We'll look for the colors pink, gray, white, black, brown, and gold. Look at this picture of a farm, una granja. Do you see the color pink? Sí, mira. Yes, look. Yo veo un cerdo rosado. I see a pink pig. What is the word for pink in Spanish? Correcto. Rosado. The pig is rosado. Where is the color gray? Can you find it? Very good. There are 2 pigs that are gray. Uno, dos. How do you say gray in Spanish? Muy bien. The answer is gris. There are 2 pigs that are gris. Look again at the picture. Can you find the color brown? Look carefully. I heard you say the horse is brown. Correcto, nuevos amigos. How do you say brown in Spanish? Sí, café. The horse is the color café. Look and find the colors black and white in the picture. Is there anything that has these 2 colors? See? You are correct. The cow is black and white. Tell me the names of the colors for black and white in Spanish. That's right. You are so smart. Negro y blanco. Negro is black and blanco is white. The last color I want you to look and find is the color gold. What is gold in this picture? Look carefully. See, the bell on the cow is gold. Tell me how to say the color gold in Spanish. Excelente, good job. Gold in Spanish is dorado. Dorado. That was fun. You found all the colors we were looking for in the picture. Muy bien. It's been so much fun bringing you a new color each time we meet for a lesson. I'm very proud of you for learning so many colors in Spanish. Take care, nuevos amigos, and until we meet again, adios.
Gracias, Coco, for bringing us such beautiful colors and teaching them to us in Spanish. We've learned so much. Te quiero, mi amigo. I just thanked Coco and told him I loved him in Spanish. He's one of my good friends. Te quiero is one of the phrases we have learned in our lessons. Te quiero means I love you. It's good to tell the people that you care for that you love them. Say te quiero with me. Te quiero. Bien. When you played Mira y Busca, look and find with Coco, you heard him say mira. Mira means to look. Say mira with me. Mira. Mira is a useful word. I say it every day, and so can you. Now, let's look at some pictures of people outside in different kinds of weather. Tell me in Spanish if it is hot, está caliente, or if it is cold, está frío. ¿Está caliente o está frío?
Está caliente.
¿Está caliente o está frío?
Está frío.
¿Está caliente o está frío?
Está caliente.
How did you do with the pictures, Nuevos Amigos? Bien? Excelente. Did you like looking at the pictures and deciding if the weather was hot or cold? You did? Then can you tell me in Spanish that you liked it? How would you say, I like it? I heard me gusta. Sí, correcto. Me gusta is correct. Me gusta means I like it. Tell me in Spanish how to say I don't like it. Very good. No me gusta means I don't like it. Practice saying me gusta and no me gusta as you look at these pictures of a park. Me gusta. No me gusta. Me gusta. No me gusta. We've learned 3 new shapes in our last 6 lessons. The triangle, triángulo. The oval, óvalo. And the diamond, diamante. Look at these shapes and say their names in Spanish when you see them.
Triángulo. Óvalo. Diamante.
Nuevos Amigos, in our last review, we met Señor Formas, and we put together his body using the shapes of the círculo, the cuadrado, and the rectángulo. Now look at Señor Formas. He is now complete. We gave him hands, feet, a hat, and a kite to fly. Can you remember and tell me the names for the shapes we have used? I'll point to the shape and you tell me its name in Spanish. What shape is this? Excelente. Sí, este es un óvalo. Óvalo is correct. Nuevos Amigos, look at Señor Formas' sombrero. It has a point. What shape is his hat? Diamante? No, I heard triángulo. Yes, sí, correcto. The shape is el triángulo. Here's a fun thing to do. Fly a kite. What shape is the kite? Tell me in Spanish. Very good, Nuevos Amigos. Sí, the shape of the kite is the diamante. Now, I'm going to point to the shapes that make up Señor Formas, and we'll say the name of the shape in Spanish. Ready? ¿Listos? Cuadrado. Círculo. rectángulo, óvalo, triángulo, diamante. Great job! You've learned 6 kinds of shapes, and you know how to say them in English and Spanish.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Nuevos Amigos, you've learned how to count from 1 a 10 in Spanish. You've also learned the cero and what it represents. Nothing, nada. I'm so proud that you've learned to count as we've used the number train to practice in each lesson. As you've learned to count, you've learned the phrase, ¿Cuántos son? How many are there? You've also learned the reply, hay. There are. For example, hay 5. There are 5. These sentences help you ask and respond about the number of items that can be found in a group. Let's review our numbers and look at some pictures that represent groups from 6 to 10. I will ask you, ¿Cuántos son? How many are there? I want you to answer me and say, I, and tell me how many are in the group in Spanish. Are you ready? ¿Listos? ¿Cuántos son?
Hay 6.
¿Cuántos son?
Hay 7.
¿Cuántos son?
Hay 8.
¿Cuántos son?
Hay 9.
¿Cuántos son?
Hay 10.
Do you remember the song 10 Little Goldfish? Let's sing the song together and practice one more time all the numbers we have learned in Spanish. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little goldfish, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little goldfish, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little goldfish, 10 little goldfish swimming. Amigos, I am feliz because you have learned so many Spanish words and sentences. You have begun to speak Spanish, and I've enjoyed being your Spanish teacher. I am also triste because this is our last lesson, but I'm looking forward to teaching you more Spanish when you are in kindergarten. We've had a great time together, and you've done a fantastic job. Han hecho un trabajo fantástico. Let's sing our adios song one more time. And remember, when you learn a new language, you also make new friends. Adios!